everybody, today we're making a reindeer. We're making a deer that lives in the Arctic tundra. And so we could start with two shapes, an oval and a circle. Let me show you. So cutting two ovals at the same time, folded piece of paper. This brown is a little lighter than the other. So there's an oval potato, or that kind of shape, right? Not perfect, but it's okay. There's one. Now I can turn this oval into a circle, and I'm already most of the way through with this project. So my reindeer is just going to be a space on this picture. So I'm going to grab a glue and put this together. But I will lay this out first. Now, if I want it to just be a reindeer, then I just need a black kind of oval shape for the nose. And then I'll need white paper for the eyes. But remember, you fold this black paper, cut two dots. And reindeers can also have, they have ears. They do. And I could cut the ears right out of this shape. So if I fold this together, and then I have this piece that's kind of an ear shape, and that goes about there. Looks kind of like a dog right now. Right? But we want to move this down. Further, further, further. Make sure you can see me in the camera. Fold this in half. And cut two kind of cartoon ovals, almost egg shapes. And then depending on where you put the pupils, he can look scared or happy right there. He's fine. Now, I think the fun part is the antlers. And the antlers go kind of like this. And we don't need them to be super long. This can scoot down even further, because I want to attach my antlers on so that it fits on the page and it has something to glue to and it doesn't get torn off right away. So move the ears out just a bit, turn these up, maybe stick it from behind even, and then we're starting to have our ear parts. I'm going to fold this again. And I could kind of make this almost a point. Put this on how we want to. And then cut another one in half. Fold it. And around this part. We're starting to have antlers. You seeing this? It's kind of cool. You can put these together any way you choose. They don't have to be super symmetrical or balanced on both sides, but it looks kind of neat when you glue this together. Just a little dot of glue. And remember, if you wanted to make the most famous reindeer of all you have to do is change this to this. But if you don't celebrate Christmas, I probably wouldn't put Rudolph on there. I would just make a reindeer. Hope you've had fun making a reindeer today. Pretty easy to do with ovals, mostly ovals, a few circle shapes, this big one. This is almost a circle, kind of between an oval and a circle. Rounded triangles, and then strips of paper, and we've made our reindeer. Thanks, everybody.